Today we are here visiting Mr. Maurice Traen from St. Joris Beernem in the neighborhood of Bruges. Maurice won the first national Cahors against 3018 Allbirds. It's a middle-sized cock of 2019 with ring number 3000779. Cahors is a distance of 750 kilometers. It was a very hard race, warm temperatures above 25 degrees and constantly headwind with an average speed of 1070 meters per minute. He beated all the Cahors, all the long distance birds. As you can see, he has thrown 2 wing feathers. Very successful bird. Mr. Traen won last year also already a national race, so he won already 2 national races on this small loft. Congrats from the Herbots team to Mr. Traen Maurice.
Het is een regelmatige duif, maar dat zou nog niet, oh ja, en de 5 is dat nog niet vlogen. Maar wel een regelmatige duif.